I am not a dirty child. Please forgive me. I will never do this again. Oliver Smith was a very naughty child. He did not take care of his school bag or the things inside it at all. Oliver's mother was very troubled by his mischief. Sometimes she would scold him, and sometimes she would lovingly advise him to take care of his bag and everything in it. But Oliver was not affected by his mother's advice at all. On Oliver's birthday, his father gave him a box of colorful crayons as a gift. He was extremely happy because he had been asking his father for crayons for many days. In the evening, after finishing his schoolwork, he decided not to go out to play. Instead, he took out his drawing book so he could color in it. As soon as he opened the box of crayons, all the colors jumped out one by one on their own. Along with them, all his notebooks, books, pencil, eraser, and sharpener were also there. They were all staring angrily at Oliver and calling him a dirty child. The eraser, which was broken in the middle, moved toward him and said, "You are a bad and rude boy. You broke my back. Now I will break yours too." Oliver became very frightened. The pencil poked his back with its sharp tip. He cried out in pain. The notebook, flying in the air, said, "You are a very dirty boy. You tore all my pages and ruined me." The book came forward with its torn cover and said, "You did not treat me well either. I used to tell you stories and teach you how to read." The lunch box groaned and said, "After eating your food, you use me like a football and play with me in the school ground. You deserve punishment." The school bag said, "Treat him the same way he treats us, so he can understand how much it hurts to be damaged." All of them moved toward him, loudly calling him a dirty child. "No, no. I am not a dirty child. Please forgive me. I will never do this again. I promise all of you," he cried, begging for forgiveness. Suddenly, he woke up. His mother was standing beside him. He had fallen asleep while coloring. The crayons were scattered around him. He quickly got up, put the crayons back into the box carefully, and promised his mother that from now on he would always take care of his belongings.